A lot of people believe that I was born with a brain defect that just stops me from feeling fear altogether. That couldn't be further from the truth.
He was a quiet child, quite an introvert.
He's not an extreme personality. Sometimes I think, I can't believe that's you.
Everything that he does is facing a fear because he always was so fearful.
A lot of people didn't think making a career out of big wave surfing was a possibility.
When I met Mark, he said to me, I don't have time for a girlfriend. I'm travelling 100% of the year.
Biggest slab winner, Mark Mathews. Mark Mathews. Mark Mathews.
He was doing well.
Did you hit the reef? You feel me pressing on your toes?
I knew that one was bad.
Might not come out of the surgery with a leg.
It was a career-finishing injury.
I've been laying in bed for 3 months now. It's making me pretty depressed.
He went to another level of shutdown. He didn't want to be there.
How will life go on with this handicap?
I went from being just so angry and frustrated to feeling overcome with gratitude. I got Britt this present.
Oh, wow.
There's actually a 50-foot swell on its way to Hawaii right now.
He springs it on me, plus I have to pack this board bag.
I thought that he would stop.
There's so much more on the line now.
Will this be the last time?
The only way through fear is experience.